Hello everyone, good day. My name is Maricar C. Fajardo. I'm from BS Mathematics 3A of Pilohio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology in Manila. So I'm making this video presentation as my recitation in one of my subjects in actuarial mathematics. So now the problem that was given to me is this. The force of mortality of survival model is given by mu of x equals to 3 all over x plus 2, where x is greater than or equal to 0. We need to find the lambda of x, or the cumulative hazard, the s of x, or the survival function, the f of x, or the cumulative distribution function, and the f of x, or the probability density function. So next, given the force of mortality, also called the hazard function, is mu of x is equals to 3 all over x plus 2, where x is greater than or equal to 0. Excuse me. We are asked to find the following 4 key functions in survival analysis. First one is the cumulative hazard function, or lambda of x. So as you know, the cumulative hazard functions tells us the total risk of dying or failure from age 0 up to age x. So to compute it, we integrate the hazard functions. So here, so as you can see there, that we integrate it, then substituting, then computing, and we come up with the result. So the result of this is lambda of x equals to 3 ln of x plus 2 over 2. So you can see there the step-by-step solution and how we come up on this result. So the cumulative risk increases logarithmically with age, so adjusted by the constants in the denominator and the coefficient. So there, we get the cumulative hazard functions. So next is the survival function. So the survival function tells us the probability that a person survives beyond age x. So it is related to the cumulative hazard function via the formula of s of x equals to exponential function of negative lambda of x. So substituting the expression we found for lambda of x, so ayan, the resulting lambda of x is negative 3 ln times x of x plus 2 all over 2. So our expression now is s of x is equals to exponential function of negative 3 ln of x plus 2 all over 2. And we simplify this using the exponent and logarithm rules. So we come up with the result of survival function is equals to x plus 2 over 2 raised to negative 3. So survival probability declines as x increases, and thus so in a cubic inverse relationship. So next, for our next, we need to find the cumulative distribution function, or the f of x. So the cumulative distribution function, or the CDF, tells us the probability that death or failure occurs by age x. So it is simply this formula, f of x is equals to 1 minus the survival function, or the S of x. So, using the expression and substitution, we found for S of x. So, f of x is equals to 1 minus the quantity of x plus 2 over 2 raised to negative 3. So, this is our cumulative distribution functions that we got. So, the probability of dying before hx increases over time and approaches 1 as x up to infinity. So, there you can see how we come up the our results, and also on our previous given problem. So, next is, the last one is the probability density function, or the f of x, but small letter f. So, the PDF tells us the instantaneous probability of dying at exactly hx. So, it is defined as f of x equals the product of mu of x and the survival function, or the S of x. So, substituting, we only need to substitute the expression that we got from our previous solution. So, our lambda of x is equals to 3 all over x plus 2, and our S of x is equals to the quantity of x plus 2 over 2 raised to negative 3. Excuse me. So, we simplify this using substitution only. So, f of x is equals to 3 all over x plus 2 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 2 over 2 raised to negative 3. So, there, we simplify this using algebra or basic computation. So, we get here 24 all over the quantity x plus 2 raised to 4. So, our probability density function is equals to 24 over the quantity of x plus 2 raised to 4. And I make a summary of interpretation. So, here we get the lambda of x, or the total accumulated risk from age 0 to x, the survival function, or the chance of surviving beyond hx, the f of x, or the chance of dying before or at the hx, and the f of x, or the likelihood of dying exactly at the hx. That's all. Thank you.